In this tutorial for the ultimate package, this section is about modeling parametric jewelry and parametric rings in Grasshopper. So we're going to use the Peacock plugin and explain the first example will be a ring, which we can define the minimum and the maximum widths of the ring. As you can see here, we can control those widths and thicknesses with a graph, and I'm going to explain that. And also we can use a simple tool in Peacock plugin to produce smooth, and as you can see here, smoother results. So we can use this to produce smooth rings. The next part of the tutorial will be producing the rings, as you can see here, based on a section which is revolved. So we're going to use a simple example and see that we can just use simple Grasshopper techniques to produce such a ring. And the next ring, which I will also explain, is to use a curve. As you can see, this is an ellipse here. We can also use a curve to produce a ring. As you can see, I can increase or decrease the results, and I'm going to explain also about this one. So you can see that this technique will also help you to design a ring based on a top curve. And the last ring which we will explain and talk about is a simple ring, as you can see here, which we can just define by the movement in the normal direction. So we're going to extract the normal direction and move those. There are some tips which I will explain, and you can see that I can deform this ring based on a movement in the normal direction. So we can also control the ring based on the normal. So these are the four sections of how you can design a parametric ring in Grasshopper.